Introduction 30 sec. Hello and welcome to Pause and Policy, the podcast where we unravel the complexities of service dog insurance, turning confusion into clarity. I'm Name, your guide through the maze of options, ensuring your furry companion gets the coverage they deserve. Today, we're diving into when and why you might want to review or even switch your service dog insurance policy. So grab a cup of coffee, get comfy, and let's make sense of this insurance puzzle together. Development, 8 to 9 minutes. The world of Australian service dog insurance has become a bustling marketplace. And if you're like most owners, you've probably asked yourself, is my current policy still the best fit? It's a great question, and one that deserves our full attention. After all, service dogs aren't just pets. They're partners in life, helping us navigate challenges each day. Over the past few years, we've seen a surge in insurance providers and a flurry of new policies. It's like a menu with endless options, and while choice is fantastic, it can also be overwhelming. Imagine you bought an insurance policy 2 years ago. It seemed perfect at the time, but like any good consumer, it's wise to periodically reassess whether it's still the best fit. Just as our lives evolve, so do the needs of our furry companions and the insurance landscape itself. Why is this comparison more critical than ever before? Well, in 2025, the financial pressures on Australian families are tangible. Everything from groceries to utilities has taken a hit due to inflation. So when you add the ongoing expenses of a service dog, it becomes crucial to strike a balance between comprehensive coverage and affordability. Here's a fun fact. Did you know only about 23% of Australian pet owners have pet insurance? In a world where emergency vet visits can start at $300 to $400, that's a number that might make you pause and think. Now, let's talk about the unique needs of service dogs. Their work differs significantly from that of a typical pet, and so might their insurance requirements. Imagine a scenario where your service dog, after years of faithful service, develops a work-related condition. Standard pet insurance often misses these nuances, which is why specialized coverage could be a game changer. We're looking at 3 main options today: comprehensive service dog insurance, accident-only policies, and the bold move of self-insurance. Each has its perks and pitfalls, and the right choice depends largely on your unique circumstances. First up, comprehensive service dog insurance. Think of it as the all-inclusive resort of pet insurance. It covers a broad spectrum, from the usual skin conditions to severe illnesses like lymphoma. And here's a mind-blowing stat. Claims for such illnesses can exceed $61,000. Now that's a hefty sum. Comprehensive policies often include alternative therapies too, which can be a godsend for working dogs who benefit from physio or hydrotherapy. Sure, these policies come with higher premiums, sometimes totaling over $1,300 annually for a medium-sized dog. But they offer peace of mind, knowing that most scenarios are covered. Next, we have accident-only policies. These are like the minimalist option, focusing solely on injuries from unforeseen events. Picture snake bites or traffic accidents. They're budget-friendly, costing 40 to 60% less than comprehensive coverage, making them a solid choice for those watching their wallets closely. And then there's self-insurance. It's like being your own bank, setting aside funds for potential vet bills. You're in complete control, without policy restrictions. But let's be honest, it's not for the faint-hearted. You need discipline and a substantial financial reserve up front, because without it, a major surgery or chronic condition could catch you off guard. So, how do you navigate these choices? Consider flexibility in choosing vets and providers. Comprehensive and accident-only policies vary, and personally, I lean towards those allowing you to pick any vet. Imagine facing an emergency and being restricted to a specific clinic. That's a scenario nobody wants. Now, let's talk claims. Comprehensive policies often boast a slick, streamlined claims process. In stressful times, a hassle-free experience is priceless. Many insurers now offer online submissions and direct billing with vets, speeding up the process significantly. On the flip side, self-insurance demands meticulous record-keeping. Are you the kind of person who thrives on organization, or does juggling finances make your head spin? Finally, customer support can be a lifesaver. Comprehensive providers generally offer robust 24/7 support. Imagine facing an emergency at 2 a.m. Having someone to call can make all the difference. Some insurers even offer veterinary advice hotlines, a boon for service dog owners with unique health queries. Conclusion, 30 seconds. As we wrap up, remember this. Your service dog is more than a pet. They're your partner, deserving the best care and coverage possible. Whether you choose comprehensive, accident-only, or self-insurance, the key is finding what fits your financial landscape and your dog's needs. I hope today's chat has sparked some ideas for you. Stay tuned for more insights in our next episode, and until then, keep your tails wagging and your spirits high. Thanks for listening to Paws and Policy.